Developers waste hours fixing messy data from their document parsers. But Firecrawl is here for us, and they have released AnyDoc tool, which is a fast Rust library that can turn any of the documents like Word, PowerPoint, Excel into AI-favored Markdown in single-digit milliseconds. Today I'm going to test it locally by giving it different document formats like Excel, PowerPoint, HTML, text, or Word doc, and it has to convert all of them in milliseconds with 100% local execution. If you are new to the channel, I cover latest AI tools and models in my Build with AI series and build practical AI projects with them. And today's focus is the Firecrawl AnyDoc tool. If you look at the insane numbers of this tool, it just takes 4.4 milliseconds per document to convert it from end to end. But speed means nothing if the text is garbage. But on the quality benchmark, it scores an impressive 81%. And you do not need different tools for different file formats, as it supports 14 different document formats, so it can handle almost everything you throw at it. And secret behind this speed is the programming language of Rust, which makes it incredibly fast and also memory efficient. And you can use this engine right now in different ways. First way is to directly use the CLI command, which can do instant conversion whether you give Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. But if you are working on an AI development project, you can integrate this tool in Python by just importing it using pip install command. And once integrated in Python, you can pass on the heavy workloads of converting the files directly to this tool. And JavaScript developers are also not left out here. You can run this smoothly in your Node applications, and it can handle multiple files without breaking your application. But the most impressive feature is that you can directly launch this tool in your browser, as Firecrawl is directly providing this in their WSM website, where you can upload any of your document. Let's say if I give it any sample PowerPoint, you can see it is able to convert it in just milliseconds. And then you can copy this Markdown text or also download the .md file. Now before going into the detail of under the hood architecture, I'm going to start the installation of this tool in my own Google Anti-Gravity terminal. To install this tool, you just need to copy this pip install firecrawl command, go in your anti-gravity terminal and paste it here. I'm also installing the request library because I'm going to generate a final report using a local Ollama model of Llama 3.23b. So I'm also going to install it with Ollama. Just copy this command and paste it in the terminal. This is just a 3 billion parameter model, which will take the Markdown file generated using Firecrawl AnyDoc, do the synthesis on the entire Markdown text, and give me a beautifully formatted report. Now once this model is installed, you can use it as a live chatbot, but for now I'm going to exit by just pressing Ctrl D. Now in my main Python logic, I'm going to be reading all the documents in the sample docs, use the Firecrawl AnyDoc to convert all of these documents to Markdown, and then use the Llama 3.23b model to generate the final output.md file. So first we are going to convert the documents to Markdown using the AnyDoc.toMarkdown function. And once I have the Markdown file, I'm going to query the local Ollama model. And the full prompt of this model will be that it has to give me an executive overview, then the extraction analysis for each document by document. What are the different quantitative and financial metrics, as I'm using some financial documents here with some quarter reports on the AI strategies and the different financial metrics. Then some strategic recommendations and the next steps that we have to consider, basis all the audit logs and the vendor terms. I'm just going to open the outputs.md file once I get the result of AI synthesis from the local Ollama model and write that full synthesis in this file only. Now once the dependencies of AnyDoc and the Llama 3.2 are installed, we can just directly launch the file using python main.py. So just copy this, go to the terminal and paste it here. And now you see that Firecrawl AnyDoc has instantly converted all of these documents into Markdown. And now we are querying the local Ollama model to do the final synthesis. Now while this report is being generated, let us look at the architectural details of this tool. Older document parsers used to convert all these different formats in different modes, but this tool turns everything into one shared internal format. So this helps in guaranteed consistency across the tables, anchors, and the list in our different documents. And once the documents are in that shared format, it uses one single engine to write the final Markdown, which guarantees that your output is always looking perfectly consistent. And some people often save files with incorrect extension names or missing the extension name completely. Standard AI tools just crash, blaming you for the actual mistake, but this tool is actually much smarter than that. It looks deep inside the file formats, like it checks for the hidden markers to identify if it is a PDF or a zip file, so it actually understands what that file truly is. And using the other AI tools usually mean that you have to install some heavy dependencies, but as this tool is directly built in pure Rust, It doesn't need any external server calls, ML runtime dependencies, or launching any headless browser instances. And the coverage of the file formats is also really wide. As I've already talked about, it can take your Word docs, PowerPoint decks, Excel spreadsheets, open document suites, even the rich text and the academic papers EPUB format, or the standard text-based CSV and PDF files. And on the industrial benchmark reports, it outscores all of the different converter tools like LibreOffice, Unstructured, Markdown, or Docling, scoring a perfect 14 out of 14 in Form ATS, with the best median speed of 4.4 millisecond and an overall score of 81 by 100, which clearly beats all of these other tools by a huge margin. Now let's check whether the output is ready, and I can see that the output is saved to outputs.md file. Now let's open the outputs.md file and look at the different document analysis. So it has extracted all of the key details from PowerPoint, documents, CSV, HTML, and the text file. Let's say in the audit log, it is saying that it reveals a successful batch process with no parsing errors, as it is indeed saying that there are 0 parsing errors detected in the batch process, and the recommendation is that we should proceed with full enterprise production rollout. And if we check in the outputs.md file, it is also saying that there is a recommendation to proceed with full enterprise production rollout. Then it has extracted all the financial metrics from the CSV file, as all these 45,000, 92,000 numbers are perfectly here in the final table. And it has also given the strategic recommendation and the next step. So basis all of the text that is converted from all these documents, it is listed down all the recommendations using the local Olama synthesizer. And everything is done completely local in our machine, and AnyDoc is able to convert all of these in just milliseconds. So while it is able to perfectly capture all the details from my given files, no tool is actually perfect, as there are still some limitations, because this tool only supports the text-based PDFs. So let's say if you have any PDF which has just scanned images, you have to use some OCR engine, like the Firecrawl Parse engine, which is hosted on their cloud OCR services. And as I talked about before, that it uses some magical bytes to identify the file format. But if you have any CSV file which is missing the extension, it will not be able to identify, because the CSV files do not have these magical bytes. So if you are planning to give any such files, you have to ensure that there is some explicit format hint. And if you have any document that is password protected or encrypted, the tool will simply throw an error for these, and it will not generate any broken or partial text. Still, if you take care of all these formats, the Firecrawl engine is actually the fastest local document parser that we have seen yet. And I have personally not seen any document that can handle all of these files and can convert all of them in sub 5 milliseconds. So that was it for the complete breakdown of AnyDoc tool. All these code files and the readme file with step-by-step instruction on how to set up the project will be available in GitHub link in description and pinned comments. So you can directly copy these code files, follow along the steps in readme, and get started with the project easily. Comment down below if you have some suggestions for me to cover more such AI tools. Follow the channel for more AI builds, updates, and workflows.